Hey guys, it's Jason over at Kaiser Willys, and today I'm going to be discussing the alternator kit that we sell here at Kaiser Willys. As you can see here, I've got it installed already on my flathead for the CJ-2A. It comes with the pulley, comes with a harness pack, and it does come with a lower bracket. I'm using this installed with my original upper adjusting arm. It mounts to the front engine plate just above the timing cover. You can also use the style arm where it attaches to the water pump. It does have adjustment here, comes with the pulley for the deep groove belt. As I mentioned, it does come with this adjustable bracket. It allows you to mount the alternator where the generator sat. It also uses the lower generator support bracket. It mounts in the exact same place. It uses the shoulder bolts as well as the rubber bushings. You've got the bolt that holds it in place. This is a one-wire alternator. I hope this helps when you convert to your 12-volt system. Thanks for watching.